Friends, how are you? I am Sam Thapa, the mathematics teachers of Gun School family. So, my dear students, in my previous class, we learned pair of angles. In pair of angles, we learned adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and vertically opposite angles. So, today we learn our next topics, complete turn angles. So complete turn angles means an adjacent angles whose size is equal to 360 degree is called complete turn angles. So my dear students, I use here adjacent angle. Adjacent means you know very well, because in my previous class I have told you that the adjacent means what. So it is complete turn angles is also adjacent angles whose sum is 360 degree. Here is the three example I show you. Look at here. In this figures, there is three angle is formed in a common vertex. So angle A, angle B, angle C. If we sum of these three angles, it's equal to the 360 degree. And here, my dear friends, these angles, okay, here it is also a complementary complete turn angles, because it has two angles. One is this, another is this. X plus y is equal to 360 degree. And here another example. Here is also the three angles is formed in a common vertex here. So add x 40 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. So my dear students, complete turn angle means an adjacent angles whose sum is equals to 360 degree is called complete turn angles. So now today we are doing our exercise. Yes, now we are start the exercise. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 1.3. Sorry, friends. So question number 1. Find the value of x from the following figure. Yes. And question number E. Here is 6x and 4x P, Q, R, and here is S. So my dear friends, so I wrote this. Look at here. Yes. Solution you write down. Angles PQS plus angle SQR is equals to angles PQR. So PQR is a straight angles, and it is also called the supplementary, because here is in straight angle there are two angles is formed in a common vertex Q. So that is called the supplementary angles or linear pair angles. So we are write down here being this one is supplementary angle. So My dear students, see here, PQS is the angles, measure is given 6x. So you write down instead of PQS, you write here 6x degree. And angle SQR, these angles, its measure is given here 4x. So you are write down here instead of SQR 4x degree. And then PQR, this angle PQR is a straight angle, so its measure is equal to the 180 degree. So now these are the two like terms. From it, how much? 10x degree is equals to 180 degree, and x degree is equals to 180 degree divided by 10. So its answer is 18 degree. So value of x is equal to, my dear student, how much? Yes, 18 degree. So in this way you solve the exercise 1.3.1. And one more example, if here, see here, plus 20 degree, 6x, and another angle is x plus 20 degree. So how this question is solved? So again similar, you write down like this, and instead of 4x degree you are write down here x plus 20 degree. So now my dear students, here is the plus 20 degree is a constant number. So in equation we are transfer the constant number in the right hand sides. So you write down transfer this 20 degree here minus 20 degree. So here the difference is how much? 160. Now its answer is 16. Have you got the idea? So my dear students, I know you are understand very well. So another example, question number 2. Here page number 12. Okay. Sorry. Question number 2. Here is the from the following figure, find the value of A, B, C, D, E and F. Find the value of A, B, C, D, E, F. So, sorry. Here is the one of the questions like this. 2A minus 50 degree is equals to B degree. Here is the A degree. Here is the C degree. So my dear students, see the figures. So these two straight lines intersect at a point of here, and we know that it is the figure of vertically opposite angles. So these angles opposite these angles, and these angles opposite these angles. So my dear students, here is 3 letter is used here, A, B, C. Okay. So first of all we have to see this light rivals, these two. So find out this first. Here 2a minus 50 degree is equals to a degree. So dear students, here is the equal. This and this is equal. What was the reason? Yes, it is a vertically opposite angle. So that's why this, it is the angle opposite angles. That's why it is a equal. So equal. So reason is write down being vertical opposite angles. So now a minus a is equals to plus 50 is going to the minus 50 going to the plus 50. So now its difference is a is equals to 50 degree. A is equals to 50 degree. So my dear friends, we have to find out the value of a. A is equal to 50 degree. That's why again we are doing this number 2 into a degree plus b degree is equals to the 180 degree. It is a supplementary. Here, if the semicircle is formed, so its sum is equals to the 180 degree. So we will write down here being straight angle. So now we know that the value of a is instead of a, you write down here 50 degree plus b degree is equals to 180 degree. So now b degree is equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So value of b is equals to 130 degree. And now we have find out the c degree. C is the opposite of b degree. That's why c degree is equals to the b degree. Being reason is being vertically opposite angles. Okay, and the c is equals to 130 degree also. So in this way you solve question number 1 and question number 2. Your homework. Thank you very much, students. Tomorrow again we are solve our next exercise. Thank you very much.